Hello, my name is Meta Cornett. I'm doing a tutorial today on Formative. Formative is a platform where teachers and students can connect. For teachers, you can create assessments and lessons and presentations for students and track student progress and provide feedbacks for students. If you're a teacher, to sign up, you choose this and then put your in for your school information and your class grade and your subject in there. I already have an account, so let me log in just to show you how to log in once you have an account. And I really like this because it's very user friendly, very easy. Okay, so let me just sign in real quick. So I have made my account and this is the home page. Um, I already created lessons just to see how it works, but you can create assessments and lessons and practice sets and upload your existing content on here. And you can also create presentations as well. And let me just go right here. I already created one. So I already created a problem. The which word has the sound M at the beginning. So these students are able to choose what answers, and you can customize it to require a student to show their work, add a hint, and after you create the assessment, you basically assign it. I don't have a class on here, so it went to guest students, but to add a new class, you could put your class on here just to assign it to your class so your students can get that. And as soon as your students finish, it gives um, the live responses here to show each student's grade, just to track their progress. And it shows all your activities that you create here and all the practice sets. If you need help, you can have AI generate you practice sets, and you could create your class here or import the class, your existing class roster. And here is the page where you track your student progress. It has a great option for that. And it's the library for existing assessments. And if you see, it's a lot of them. If you see assessments that you are interested in for your grade, then you just click that just to add that to be able to assign it to your class. And this where you choose to join a school. So you can connect with the school so it could integrate into your account. And these are all your account options. If you want to upgrade a plan, you could do that here. And it also has support options and a training center. It has a lot of important information and resources that can help you as a teacher, as well as resources, of course, for students. But I feel that it's pretty great. I really do like it. I like the fact that I will be able to identify students' strengths and weaknesses and evaluate the students. And I also like that it promotes student engagement. I'm able to give feedback. Students are able to connect with me as well. So I really did enjoy doing this tutorial, and I hope that you were able to learn something. Thank you.